Any modern house is inconceivable without the coziness and comfort. Each interior detail must be functional and fit harmoniously into the general style. The ARISTO company offers functional and reliable systems to solve this task. Easy installation and the eventuality to build up and to move separate components are features of the ARISTO wardrobe system. At any time, you can supplement the system with necessary elements, transform it into a children's room or a home office. High quality of materials, a wide decor variety, environmental friendliness, easy assembling, and low price are the distinctive features of the ARISTO wardrobe systems. This particular kind of classic system is fixed with wall tracks, and it has shelves of different depth. Also, the system is completed with the shelves baskets with special dividers to keep small items. A shelf system is a very attractive solution for a garage. This is a freestanding structure supplemented with a required quantity of pull-out baskets. A bathroom or a laundry. You can install a white classic system there. In this case, we took a mounting system holding with a rail with hinged tracks. This makes the wardrobe installation easy. There is a number of pull-out baskets for linen sorting in the system. Bars and pull-out elements are installed in a way to be used for drying. Shelf baskets are intended for household chemicals, towels, and other dry things any hostess needs at hand. A men's wardrobe of decor system includes various structural elements. Shelves, shoe racks, pull-out racks for trousers, and baskets which allow you to place your clothes, shoes, accessories, as well as many other useful things anywhere. Elements made of dark wood add special style to the interior. The mounting of the decor system doesn't differ much from the mounting of the classic system. The decor system with a light solid wood finishing is an attractive solution for women's wardrobe. The system allows you to use the whole space of the room effectively. You can install any number of shelves and easily replace any elements of the system. The texture of light wood decorates the interior and makes it warmer.